In this unit first, phylum porifera, we have to discuss about the phylum porifera general characters and classification. Phylum porifera, it comes under the kingdom Animalia. Phylum, the porifera may be defined as an asymmetrical or radially symmetrical multicellular organism. Asymmetrical means there is a no symmetry, body symmetry. If you cut the animal, uh, you do not get equal halves. That is called as asymmetrical. Or radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means if you cut the animals through the central axis, then you will get the two equal halves in any direction. Radial means you will get the many axes for these are multicellular organism with a cellular grade of an organization. In previous kingdom protozoa ಒಳಗ ಏನಿತ್ತು, they are single celled organism. Here these are the multicellular organism with the cellular grade of an organization. Cellular grade means the different cells perform a different functions. Here tissue and organs are absent, hence it is cellular grade of organization without well definite tissues and organs. Exclusively aquatic, these are the aquatic animals, means these present in the water bodies. Mostly marine. Marines means in sea water, ಸಮುದ್ರ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. And these are sedentary. Sedentary means these are attached to the substratum. And solitary. Solitary means this present in a single. Colonial means many. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಾವು ಕಾಲೋನಿ. Solitary means single organism ಇರತ್ತೆ. With body perforated by pores. Small pores ಇರ್ತಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ. And these have the canals and chambers through which water flows, with one or more internal cavities lined with coinocytes. These coinocytes are ciliated cells which present in the canal system for food capture and water movement, and with the characteristic skeleton made up of calcareous spicules, siliceous spicules, or horny fibers of spongin. These have the skeleton which is made up of calcium or silica or horny fibers of spongin, just like our bones. These spicules give the mechanical support. Next, general characters. Porifera are all aquatic, means they are in the water bodies. Mostly marine. They present in the sea water, except one family, Spongylidae, which lives in a fresh water. ಈ Spongylidae ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ, ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್, ಸಮುದ್ರ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ದಿ Spongylidae ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾವ. Fresh water means river, lakes, ponds. These all are the freshwater bodies. Next, they are sessile. Sessile means attached to the substratum. And sedentary. Sedentary means it is also same. ಜಡ ಇರ್ತಾವು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವ, ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. And grow like a plants. The body shape is vase. or cylinder like. Vase means it just like a flower pots. Body shape is vase or cylinder like, asymmetrical or radially symmetrical organisms. The body surface is perforated by numerous pores. Body ಮೇಲೆ small pores ಇರ್ತಾವ. Pores means ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ hole ಇರ್ತಾವ. That pores is called as ostia. The ostia through which the water enters the body. ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ pores ದಿಂದ water body ಒಳಗೆ enter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And one or more large openings. That large opening is called as oscula, by which the water exits. ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಾಕ ದೊಡ್ಡದಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ with the cellular level of body organization. These are the multicellular organism with cellular level of body organization. No distinct tissue or organs. They consist of outer ectoderm and inner endoderm with intermediate layer of mesenchyme. These are the diploblastic animals. Outer ectoderm and inner endoderm is present, and in between them there is a mesenchyme is present. The interior space of a body is either hollow or permeated by numerous canals lined with coinocytes. ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ, ಹಾಲೋ ಇರತ್ತ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಸ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. These canals are lined with coinocytes. The interior space of the sponge body is called as spongocyl. ಆ internal cavity ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ, that is spongocyl cavity. Next, characteristic skeleton consisting of either fine flexible spongin fibers or siliceous spicules or calcareous spicules. Skeleton means these give the mechanical support to the body. They are made up of spongin fiber or silica or calcium. Then mouth is absent, digestion is intracellular. Mouth is absent, digestion is intracellular. Cell ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Excretory and respiratory organs are absent because these are the low organisms. Contractile vacuoles are present in some freshwater forms. In some of the organism there is a contractile vacuole is present, which helps in osmoregulation. The nervous and sensory cells are probably not differentiated. Nervous system ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. The sponges are monoecious. Monoecious means both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same organism or same individuals. ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಮೇಲ್ reproductive organs ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. That is called as monoecious, or it is also called as hermaphrodite. Reproduction occurs by both sexual and asexual methods. Asexual reproduction occurs by buds and gemule formation. They produce buds for asexual reproduction and gemules also. Gemules are the internal buds. It survive in the unfavorable condition and it develop into new organism. The sponges possess a high power of regeneration. These possess the high power of regeneration. If the organism lost its body parts, then it will regenerate its body part. That is called as regeneration. Sexual reproduction occurs by ova and sperms. Fertilization is internal, but cross fertilization can occur. Fertilization takes place internally, but in some of the cases, cross fertilization is also takes place from one individual to the another individual. Cleavage is holoblastic. Cleavage means cutting of the zygote. Division of zygote is holoblastic. Holoblastic means whole egg is divided or whole zygote is divided. Development is indirect through a free swimming ciliated larva called amphiblastula or parenchyma. Development is indirect. These amphiblastula and parenchyma are the larval stages present in the porifera. Examples: Clathrina, Sycon, Grantia, Eplectella, Hyloneema, Oscarella, Placina, Tenia, Cleona, so on. These are the examples of porifera. Peculiar character is these porifera contains pores on the body, and these have the cellular grade of organization, and these are the multicellular organism. These are the peculiar characters of porifera, and these are the general characters. This is type of canal system: Ascon type, Sycon type, and Leucon type. In Ascon type, there is a simple. Here, water enters through this small ostia directly into the internal space called as spongocoel. Here, there is a small complexity. Here, water enters through this and comes here, then comes into the internal cavity. Here, highly complex. See here, these are the Leucon type of canal system, and this is a sponge. Here body has the small numerous pores, and there is a one osculum. Through this ostia, waters can enter into the body. Then through this osculum, waters can exit. Next, classification.